Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how to fix you have been banned from the Omegle due to the possible term of the services. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method we need to use a different browser which is named as the Brave browser. So you have to just download this browser and then try to log in your account by using this browser. Doing so your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just click on the 3 dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings. So once you are in your settings, you have to just scroll down in the left menu and then click on the About Chrome and check for any update is available for your Chrome. If available, it will automatically update your Chrome browser. So after completing this update, click on the Privacy and the Security in the left menu and then click on the Clear Browsing Data. So once you are here, you have to just select all the time in the time range and then select all these options and then click on the clear data. After completing this process, try to log into your account and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third most effective method, you need to download a VPN which is named as VPN. After downloading it, you have to just install it and after installation connect it to your device. After connecting, your problem will be fixed. You can also use another VPN which is named as the Hotspot Shield. You have to just download this free VPN and after downloading connect it to your system and after connecting your problem will be fixed. In some cases, it is more effective method to restart your PC or system. After restarting, your problem may be fixed. So you must have to try this method as well. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.